Hello and welcome to another video by me, Zaphod Beeblebrox, and it's the British for Tech Guru channel. Anyway, there is my battery. As you can see, it has a date on it that says 9/22, so that means it was charged in September of this year. Okay, so it came almost flat, which was not very impressive. So I'm now going to look at the meter on the solar panel, solar charger, and let me see. It's on 82%, which is quite interesting because earlier it was on 100%. Now, I had charged it via solar power and it went up to 60% yesterday, and then, day before yesterday, and I noticed it at 52% yesterday before dark, and then this morning it was on 46%, which tells me that the battery is no good, despite being a brand new battery. Now, it surprised me that it went up to 100% because apart from that 15 watt panel up there, all I have charging it are those two 20 watt panels, so that's 55 watts of power. Okay, well, that's enough of that. What I've been doing today is I went back here. Now, I have got some gubbins that have arrived to simplify this lot, make it a lot simpler, but I didn't do anything with that today. Instead, what I did was, I don't know if you can see it, let me get up there. There, that is a Wi-Fi transmitter. That is a little backup camera, and it gives me an excellent view of what's going on in the yard, and it all connects in here. So yes, looks like Spaghetti Junction. Nothing much you can do about that. So anyway, that's what's going on this week. I've got some more bits on the way from China. It should be here by Christmas, so I'll just have to see what goes on. I think probably this week I'm going to have to go back to Walmart, take this horrible little battery back, and either get my $105 back or $195, however much I spent on it, get my money back, or get them to replace the bloody thing. That is not impressive. Mind, that battery is a heck of a lot bigger than I really wanted in the first place. I really wanted something like 50 amp hours or 35 would have done, because I'm not going to be a heavy power drain. Anyway, there we are. That's all I've got for you today. And my name is Zaphod Beeblebrox, and this is the British Tech Guru channel. Thank you.